And yes, I mean, for near Abanos. I was born a Muslim, raised a Muslim. Me call Makaranta ni bibi. But Bribi say, SC in Islam. What Babayan Usru? Let's stop the hypocrisy in Ghana. There's too much hypocrisy in Ghana. The fact that somebody is an intelligent sinner doesn't make the person righteous. Obedient naba. Me real. What fine. Obia from make me fool. I do. We all do things. I thought I actually had you. You refi. Mon fanche ye nepa. Oba sorry. Homesa unia bema. So unia bema fum. No be to media channel. Homesa unia bema nyame. Enimu ni enti a ofre me. Misrewa. Me fumwa. Fache me. Masambe pie wo nsemwa. Bohu ban ma me wai. Se ni awudie no beto me nimu a me bohu ban. Enti wa reshe mu se me ko boss of wa mane no. Me nso me hu se sofo. Yesua fi mu ho. Na musuma sua fi ho. Ye nye perfect. Enti ye fumu a. Motwe yaso kakra mo fanche ye. Na ye nkoso anya ebusia. Se sofo na sorry na wontumi nko biumo. Eno nkire se sofo fufuro. Asemo. Asori wontumi nko. Eno so nkire se sa sofo no ontumi nsesa. Everybody can change when given the chance. You can change. I can change. And when we change, the system and the world will change. Mr. Obio, Fache.
Too much so mess your friend will share me about more than subscribe like it. Now share me video no Emma if you saw the bell so sebeya upload be to my ubenye be a share now when you be a tea. Now what try a real media prophet to jab by the state see I want no and an asem abato abontin so Ghana for can woman journey at the farm. Titruni a sorry man sebia Christopher woman in our tobacco. Say na nipa nkiye hwe no wadi nachi ene ne ensem we e kwaso na kwaso fo de wo hwe wo so yie e wo kwan bi so ene me sa ka apostle lamti e wo haka me ho niema na kwa aba Pastor yemu akwa aba de ba too much GH
media ejemosu wa too much GH the TV so mo what to say
Erade adom ye ho ye na wo so
adom
that is say ye hwe ensem a e kwaso e wo man mu ha e ya na nsem beto social media obi aka na dwene e de fa ho nanso yakoba ne se adifo asofo a eya ne ye penimdifo bi ni abedinchie mu ewo mu ho ensem a ekoso efa prophet Ojaba ho no papa wo ne se
ye ne guy no ne dinchia e ma wahwefo ani atoso mi no so no me fa no the jovial way ne pa na din di Ojaba no obese be koka na se mo hyebi
oh sure oh sure I didn't say
but that is what the like that who say Asamba sano obi aka ni ope me sano me ma me penny ohwe me ka dosi asemtifo onimasamuka na onimu asikyere na me ka kyere onu abema ika ne se we driver ni na wonya accident da ensiri ne wato no kwan mu a wonya accident munyina mo na mo kwa akro no so die ebia ni fault sa curve no Odi and by speed ramp no. And no print P no. Eya a software on some basana. Mempesemika. And no chrese ebia obisro and now obisro.
Yeah.
By a sea worry for on son. Oh, show dear. Barbara Kraka chere and say, Mamina ya chino in adultery no. Yes, which draw from send ye on ye bonnet dano. On to born a canny. Intimesre. Say, wait, young come van jebe.
Papa, one say a Ghana for Yatobaha. To do a night, it's in a sorrow for Yamemano. Ye wunya yenye, and think ye to me who knew and send be an assay at sea, maybe a sea and cabwaye.
When him. And now may be Tiasiano, a bit free, a swan would be Mania Samna, ye ca, a cherry would be piano. Woko asori ana wo ba asori.
Oh, so ye demo.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Esono ni oko asori. And esono ni oba asori.
Enu so ye ne
ba ko tete. Oh, woko am ya tete. Ba ko de woko akodom.
Wow.
What do you say? Ni oba be domino. Oba just because they want to belong. Ni oba be somono. Oba because they want to be trained. And this am pasenya mi asemna ye kano. Utie a ebeboa. So one go school say who go for teacher ni so man. Thank you.
Na chese papa
so go dia wo ko a utie ni teacher ni kire wo no because the exams be wo be pass. Na ye refi say asore ni Christopher aye yenso no eye exam. Ewie ye no. No. Enti wo ko asore no ye ka asem no tie.
Papa nenti e beba ne se mpanimfo atworo se de odi akire no esua de odi nkan nantie enti ne ya bedom wona se ya beba asore no se nye se yesua wo kra ne manketua bi wo hono mu e wo se yesua firi ho na se koba ne se na montuo mu abrabo mu e haw ne ade ene ma dane a na ye ne den
mama say to that experience driver crowd to me to go them
eno kre
me das.
Enti papa na wo kasa okan bibi say na Yesu trotro fom se wa wonye bone dan to bo no adom ni ntie nkwaso nya bone ana
da bida enyes emien kana sa ma fe wonim se se me di kan eya asofo ho ba nsemo a me mpesa meka
di enti na eya
ne enti a me mpesa meka bi ene se ne nyame asem no se nie ena ne wiase nso kanie Patias. Asem ye nyame somafo no. Ne medi na echi no ye oye na no na mehwe so aye. Se Yesu ammo aten. Nanso odiboni be chewe ya. Ene me mu obi aten. Obi afom meti hai. Me nya perfect. Obi nso wo baby onye perfect. Ebi awo ye de nsa si wanimu a. Obetumi akasa menu. Obi nso wo ho a and somebody anyansi na nim no abeka say brem 3 raw 3 lime 1 obi nso wo ho a otumi dwane fi mani obi nso wo ho a ontome enti fa baby awo wa wonde no ekata wo nuano mre oye no so no nso baby o wa wonde no onfa nkata wo mre oye so yesi ensa no we ye dey I don't know how you say nini ene juo ene he ni ene ho juo ene he
we dware benkum dware ni fa na ni fa dware
das enti no emien kunkum ye wu na mumien do ye wu Kristo sum nyina ayodo ma ho fa ye fumu obi de ye dwama obi de ye krono obi de ye atro obi nso de ye nyaatwum obi de ye otan obi de ye amfa nche hu ni nyina ye tomu bi
ye to sini wo
enti no so obi hu asem ba you see, when you belong to a society that is more emotional and less rational, it's a recipe for disaster. And me busao. Also for Jabakra, baby, I'm not sorry. A quiet one. Yeah.
A quiet
na eno eni ni abe ni ehi na ehi apa light yendum light wo enye sabe foa ni aba no so but eniema bi wo ho a tie upese wo hu no kro a aye krado se pese tumpon a hwe eniema onani ji hu
pese wo hu no kro a tumpon a
pese tumpon a hwe eniema onani ji hu. I was born a Muslim, raised a Muslim. Me call makaranta ni bibi. But bribi say SC in Islam. What baba you want usro?
No beka.
Say as if I respect mo bia. And no just ne pa na mfom.
Obefom.
But in the midst of it all, respect and honor.
Papa fom de nipa befom. Na de enti ama Ghana for ka ne dodo ne say wo mu say wo ye nipa osan so your sofo but onipa de edin bi e beda wo so no ena bema ye hunu sonso ye da wo eni onipa ntam enti omo hu ne se sofo na waje ato ne ho so no
let's stop the hypocrisy in Ghana. There's too much hypocrisy in Ghana. The fact that somebody is an intelligent sinner doesn't make the person righteous.
Intelligence and
ability to cover your traces. And we are holy or righteous. Obi ye kronkron and yes and the subai ni kronkron yo. Now so be a juma be a open or ye kronkron cause it's obey juma no. Obi ye kronkron and yes be a the su ni the buy a ye kronkron. Now so or the awadi empire bobby a kotunya miedi.
Okay.
No nim say be a wadia kronkron na wadia no nya. So that which is not your character, if you fake it, you are a hypocrite. What you say? Mesre, let's not waste time. Let's not. So adia ye namo say say anke ye. Na anko yesa no ne enye no mum ne boso eye hundede. No. Is that what we want them to hear? And also for being new also our papa. Let's propagate the good things. And that is how you kill the bad in society. What you celebrate is what you attract. What am I saying? Mumi yankoswan kapapano. Yanki kansem pano. Na se papano doswa. Bonene beira. Yesu baya na bone wo. Wanka oda ne papane diye. So let's stop celebrating that which keeps destroying society. There is so much I can tell you. Say, oh, ma sorry, yes, so for you, so na sorry, yes, and rampo, sorry, way, yes. Let's talk about the good things. You see, let me tell you something. I'm not supporting, I'm not condoning or conniving. Yeah. But nukrenya mi. Say, Obiya dear. Now, can I share for one? Is that the best way to change the person? And your door, any of this is animal.
But Papa Osha said, yeah, Papa so bad when Timber cancer, yeah. Ghana for who say, when you know, be what you were, you know.
Sana more dream. Sana more dream. Mafum, and Cheresa Odisi can see me minimum to ye, Minga Kumami Cassette. Obiani saying you're responding to situations. Obian can be a kum. Obimpo and can be fred. Me would jai. Obian can say. Obiani saying you're responding. Babros who were quiet watch me man chere be wo me platforms on Facebook. Juada to Friday, Monday through Friday, every day 10 to 11. I do a teaching program on my Facebook platform, Reverend Abraham Lonte. And for the past 3 weeks, I've been teaching on backup. Who is your backup? Who
is your Rebecca?
Maybe I'm talking about a backup. So we are bio. We hear mommy penemu 65 years and above. And your mommy. And your auntie. We hear mommy penemu be wo baby. Out to me kone ni me koka wo hinta asem nyina akere no e ma ne ka wani me tofu out dia hobrase e betie no wo ma me panimu wo ba bia edu Friday a utumi kofa ne ho esi ni niama ehwe no se na pomu to say asasem tuwa ma me panimu dia ho prepare be fa ntoma aka se me bai ni enko na me koto fo me nso empacho mawo ni emfa nchew enen ma yo amaba mu dibi. We are branty and sua. We hear mammy penimu ni papa penimu. Abayu are the we hear mammy penimu. But a branty and we hear papa penimu ni mammy penimu. Because we are living the past of the old.
We are living the past of the old.
Yeah.
And no papa be chimusin.
When I'm saying if you do away the woman ya trabuko. So you are living in your mother's past. But you are yet to reach her age. And they are living in our future, and we are living in their past. And yet technology and nature, it is the age that makes. And it's a we are brandy and now ni papa penimua obetufu. Akata say jai now we jai obefrau. Akata say yakum now yakum. There will be challenges in your life. What you say? Miti hai. Sebribi koso na Apostle General Fremi. Abraham. Apostle General Sam Cranchankra of Royal House. So friend will say, Abraham, keep quiet. Mr. Rumpus and Mekasa. If you have a backup, right, you will not be afraid when your battery is running low.
Na papa say ba ne saa de na o say nkaye papa yi wa ya ka kire ni se wontwa so
Anye bia mo akọ ho interview.
Papa ye be ko
na ya na wa akọ ho aba nkaye kasa wo be kasa o ye ne di nkopo no o kan say ni because e bia na so no ne wo na adwen mo enti ne me be ka bia no will be the opposite of what will be going on in his mind. And then I prefer when such things happen, you go straight to the person. So one chance to crowd, do your possible best and win the trust. What you see? That is why money, a software relationship, is very paramount. Don't come to us only when there is a crisis or when there is a problem, but relate to us in good times and in bad times. Because he will also have more to tell you that can help you clarify things instead of he talking. But who has gone to him? Ubia Ekasa. Who has gone to the lady? Ubia. Everybody is talking. The battle now belongs to their backups. Penny ben ejina bayuanechi. Penny ben ejina osofwechi. Now omumi enunum fre womu. Now omu kasawia, they can advise them.
Papa, yetie ya papa response a wode ba ye ya. O kasa no kan say mamo nyama dwene se mo frɛ me. Ma pani bia mfrɛ na wo frɛ me a menfa. Ma ya se meye say ni saa na meye.
Yes. He might have said that. Okay. But penny bi betumi afrɛ na manafa. Se oya uyemba obeya na saa. Adiasi. So I am pleading with the press. I am pleading with everybody. Obia fum. Ye nyina ye fum. Also ye kasa me ma quotation. But I'm speaking the fact. Ye nyina ma wo fe. Ye nyina ye fum. Now person wo twi akra until you win the trust of the person. You cannot win the heart of the person. Until the person can trust you. Omfana kumam. Na adikitwa betumi ana nipa sasa.
Ate se uchi mu asa asemi betumi ama.
Adikitwa betumi ama nipa sasa. Enti misrɛ mo.
Papa unhwe dodo na so ma yetias enye se me force wo se kasa.
No, you can force me. If I want to talk, I will talk.
Wow.
And if I don't want to talk, I won't talk. Wouldn't name me wrong. Jesus Christ.
Papa unhwe ebra wo ba be kasa ye no. Na Ghana fo bi kan say sa bre no kasa ye no. Na enye the right time se wo kasa.
Na wo ye say Ghana asem sia. Wo busu miensa na yira. Na mfa so obi ande so bio. Yempa bibi foforo honka.
Nenti papa se eba ne sa se enye ye papa kra asem ne ye kan as osofo say ne se ye ne.
Se me na asem sa to me a wo be kan say. Story doesn't transform a generation. It takes facts. You have the evidence. Will it put food on your table?
No.
Thank you. Common do. A crime baby will have to me so the anya. Now can't be one. That's why you see we are always rushing to forgive me, but that is the fact that in our desperation to get people on our page, because society rejoices in evil. We really talk more about evil and the bad things. Because who can yamapa won't traffic. But Kai say, boneno nema u domina. Sa domina na wasemu ba omobeti. So the number that follows your evil will be the same number that will spread your evil. There is so much. Listen to me. So for Jamba, the woman said, so what? You see, the Bible says that, like you quoted in Galatians 5 and 6, I'm trying to get a scripture to back that up, but let's talk wisdom. Let's talk wisdom. Let's talk wisdom.
Papa say, "Ekobani say the
Obedient naba. Me real. Obedient naba. There is this old song, yam say by Krania, Mose minku na minye, Mose minku na mase, minku ni amaya no binye bida. Media na benti munka, munki kankoe, kata wudi yesu, na bo bidia, na we. I am a pastor, yes. The act is wrong, but there is an actor we can correct and add up to the number. Let's stop killing ourselves. Ni nipa ni yo yana nenya enchirese nipa no onto me nye papa. But the only way we can make things right is when we do it with love, but not when we do it with how to bring the person down and crush the person. Well, fine. Obia from make me fool. I do. We all do things, but then there is an actor through whom the act came. How do we restore the actor to add up to our numbers?
Na nipa ya ye kana semi se nye ojaba kra na asofo bi wo honom na asem ba omo be giatum ama ya ka se ye di nipa na fa kwan we so na ye correct
and mo prefer ni obeka ntro no se ni obeka no kre no. Si obegiatum na ogitum anya no kre no ka.
Say wabegiatum by say ogiatum ama ya correcting in a way. Obetia
how will you know say I am correcting? When last did you hear him talk?
Not just say
no. When was the last time who said wasamba biom a okasa?
I don't know Ghana for your mo wa kire say on kasa wo kana sem on so enti your mo asa sem we die we pie kasa ansem.
Nsuo wo hoy o de tap on chenia. Ojiwo. I'm not trying to support what he's doing or what is going on, but I'm trying to let you see life in reality. And yet your work quotation na ye nipa wo. Na ne oti nyame asem na ase e no ye nipa. Mesimu mi enja nya atwom no. Sa me quote to Bible na they be praising the Lord and no kire se wo ye nyame nipa. Nyame ohwe akomemu. Ohwe ne wo ye na abonten. You can condemn everybody say wo na wo ye holy. And so amfa nche wo. And no mom ye worse. Because our salvation is based on forgiveness. So if you are not forgiving, you don't qualify. And you can only forgive when you have love. So can we please stop this? The Bible is against the act. So let's condemn the act. But let's stop persecuting and killing the actor. There are many ways to kill a cat.
Dodo na so kan say tofo dodo na e na e kyeremu say oye nipa nti o ho kwan so oye sa enfom so na aba eno so e ma oba no so etu ya obi
meba na wo a wo kasa asofo dodo no e kasa oye nipa wo hwa onye nipa
papa oye nipa
ahofe. Let me ask you a question. So your boyfriend
pacho dan
uti TV so twantro
guy be rap obi aka but say menyi nti no
wonyintu de enti na wonyintu onye nipa
me oye nipa ba me hwe niema bi ansa
niema bi say
niema dodo na say ana papa won say ma ya na ye hwe niema bi wo nipa bi mu ansa
ya bia wonnem say suban a ye de ye courtship and yet the same suban ye de ware enti ne wo hwehwe no wo be hulu pa edamo be ware say by first week Uba say we a different person or no see a different person because one worry that or no so worry that and you become students in marriage, students of marriage. You were courting, you were not married. The very moment you marry, Subai and Namudi court, it will never appear again. Ya worry for Subai and I done a wedding. So every day we are confronted with new things. Are you telling me? Listen, I can be seated here. And a lady will just walk in to say, oh, back counseling. How will I know what the intentions are?
Ghana for be kan say we so for ya we di for den kan nipa ni pie so hu.
Adia wonye bita ni oye no fumu a bon paima no.
Ni wonye bida so obi ye bia bon paima no.
Don't kill the person.
Okay.
Adwuma ye de mawa untumenye ni oye no ofumu a bon paima no say rade de ne bɔne bɛkyɛ no na ɔnsi ya how is ni judge energy farm na ɔnsiesie n'anamoto.
Papa, once said the entire Ghana for I so particular about this issue.
Why are we particular about it?
Omu can say a soft for whom some not doso.
Why na koka?
Ghana say a soft and some never to social media. Ube komuno na no cre. Enti se e kobane sadia not just say a sorry kofono and na ye nyame mano.
Let me say this fact here. It's your salvation that matters. Se me ma unsio cap ma. Na me se fa komreka twa so down. Na make sure say be suffer. Me ma 5 minutes go down whole round 20 times. You will not see what is going on because you are focused on the water. If we will focus on our lives, we will focus more on things that will bring development.
Na se say ni efesi hu ni say wo mo ba sorry no abetie nyame asem wo mo so so asabi de wo mo penti na wo mo ba sorry asofo se say yonkofa ben na yesese tena sa nipa entem ne ehu se na ebesi aye nyame dwuma na ankofa ohaw bi ansa amebi.
Okay. Medasi no asem ya wabusai na ni ameka na say ye nyina ye nipa se baby awo kro no ka ba ku peneko e 2 and 6 G3 days later ansa ko hobio we obi a we neat pa jene no so nye jene obetumi ananti akọ will you say driver no wa efi enti won fa car no nko
Ubafo
sa nyame ohwe abonten a anka won frɛ obi asof Moses kumnepa nyame ne ye Abraham oni ni mate nyame Exodus David echi na kwa eware ne yiri nyame ne ye adwuma tie his ways are not our ways enti mum ye njai se ye hu nyame ye ma nyame eni ye kan na se nyame ne di ye kan dia odo ne bonifache ene be di ye kan wo awo kwa asore no nyame na wo kɔhwehwɛ no enye nipa na wo kɔhwɛ no o kan Proverbs chapter 3 and then am di twa to say o ba me ma okote asante ne be se me ma okote hen bia Proverbs chapter 3 verse 1 me pese wo
me ready
o kan amane
Proverbs chapter 3 verse 1 My son, do not forget my teaching, but let your heart keep my commandments.
That's it. See. Odo bonifache bami ehunu se emfumso ewo ho asa odo wo ho etwa mfumso so efese ne me yo ye no wodi chania me da me ho so ebeboa amama sisa eno nkire se wo call class 1 no I graduate education is what left. Education is what remains after all that you have learned is forgotten. Etoda ya kire ya de nso ye refi. Monfa nche ye nepa. O ba sorry a. O me se wonu abema. Se wonu abema fun no betumi di ache no. O me se wonu abema nyame enim ne enti a ofre me. Mesre wo a me fun wo fache me. Masambe pie wo nsem a bohu ban ma me wai se ni awodie no beto mani mu a me bohu ban enti wo arehye mu se me ko boss of one man ye no me nso me hu se sofo ye sua fi mu ho na mo so ma sua fi ye ho ye nye perfect enti ye fu mu a mo twen aso kakra mo fa nche ye na ye nkoso anya ebusia ya me nshira
Papa nti sese ya no ye di sidie na wo mu a o menya kotwa bi do ma koma mu se sofo bi ayusu me sofo bi agimi sika enti se ne ade ne saafo ne so de ne ye wo
anwo fa me pa ocho sese me di kan ya no obi afu in fact se me boro ni kojo upon kroma e kan ya or see in politics everybody is being used. Everybody is using somebody. And when you look through and you can't find the person that is being used, then you are the one they are using. Nemi kana say, yeah, asasi ye true. yɛbɛtumi di ano aka nanso sonson pɛ ɛyɛ nyame ne yɛ boafo ma ho ɔfɛ ne yɛde ayɛ obi a ɛyɛ wo ya no ɛnna me gyina sɔfo nyinaa na mu ɛpawkyɛw fakyɛyɛ ɔgyeɛ a Yesu di brɛyɛ no ɛnam bɔne fakyɛ so ɛmfa amfa nkyɛ honhom ɛnnante ɛnsɛe wɔ ahoɔfɛ ɛnsɛe wɔ anigye ɛnka wo hyɛbere ɛnhyɛ fam amfa nkyɛ honhom te sɛ wonnum poison ɛhwɛ kwan sɛ deɛ ɔyɛ wo bɔne no bɛwu wo na wonom poison no wo na wobɛwu nti mesrɛ wo a neɛ sɔfoɔ biara de ayɛ wo ama wabɛmɛbu ɛnyɛ nyame ɛna ɛfom wo fakyɛ sɛ sɔfoɔ no asɔre na wontumi nkɔ bio mu a ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ sɔfo foforɔ asɛm asɔre wontumi nkɔ ɛno nso nkyerɛ sɛ saa sɔfoɔ no ɔntumi nsesa. Everybody can change when given the chance. You can change. I can change. And when we change, the system and the world will change. Mr. Obio, fache.
Amen. Say the immediate says, send your facha number. Onipa na kuma bubia, or better pen na kuma. That ye da was say, Oje brain ye train sankomo. I don't know, I had a brema quite MIDC. Apostle Lampty and I in Sakan one. You say yen na yen seize fire, na yen shad the papa a dying in Nayene. Just so him and I'm a geogua, make I will be high to my GHSO. You were all the social media platforms, so you better share.